In this video, we will learn how to change the Shopify store name. Let's get started. To change the store name, go down there and click on Settings. Here, you can see that store details are open. Click on Edit. Here, enter the store name. You can add phone number and email address as well. Click on Save. Here, you can change your business location and the currency your products are sold. Choose the time zone of your region, unit system, and weight unit that is used in shipping rates. You add an order ID to identify order on pages. Once you are all done, click on Save. Let's go back. Refresh page. Let's go to the store. Refresh store. You can see that the name has changed. This is how you can change store name. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.